With those high winds, LP&L says it's very likely we will be seeing some power outages around town, and with those outages come some safety concerns. Our Leah Doherty spoke with some experts on how you can keep both yourself and your items safe as the weather moves in. Leah, if someone is experiencing an outage, what do they need to do?
Well, first, they need to call or send a text to lightsout@lpnl.com. From there, you can go to their website for a live look at the current outages. Now, we've got the map pulled up right here, and as you can see, there are no reported outages at this time. However, as this weather starts to move in and outages occur, viewers will be able to see where the outage is, how many people in their area are affected, and if a crew is on the scene.
Everybody's kind of on heightened awareness and heightened readiness.
Clinton Thedford is the Lubbock County Emergency Management Coordinator and says he has been working to make sure first responders are on call and ready for the incoming weather.
Communications is crucial to what we do. Making sure everybody has the latest information, is aware of the current threat.
He says West Texas weather is quick to change, so people need to be constantly monitoring the conditions.
You need to get every method you can to get that information for potential hail, tornadoes, any of those major threats that we could have with those severe thunderstorms.
With severe wind comes power outages, which LP&L says they're ready for.
We're going to have all available crews in the field or on call starting this evening, running through tomorrow night.
And anytime there's outages, LP&L says there are some safety concerns that come as well.
Anytime a storm comes through of the magnitude that the storm looks to be, we do often see instances where lines, break and they're on the ground. If you see a line that's laying on the ground, it may look like it's turned off. It may look like it's not energized, but you don't know that for certain. So just stay away from it.
LP&L says their goal is once an outage is reported, to have it fixed within the hour, while keeping both their crews and citizens as safe as possible.
We're going to prepare as if we have a storm coming through that's going to cause a lot of outages, and hopefully that's not the case.
Now, other things to keep in mind during these high winds are your household objects. If you have any furniture or items outside, make sure they are tied down to prevent them leaving your yard.